A 40-question English quiz with mixed topics and tricky questions. Try it now and see how well you do. Choose the closest meaning of broad. Answer D. Wide. Choose the synonym of promise. Answer A. Pledge. Choose the antonym of greedy. Answer C. Generous. What is the opposite of lofty? Answer B. Low. What does go against the grain mean? Answer C. Oppose norm. What does not playing with a full deck mean? Answer A. Odd. What is the plural form of genius? Answer B. Geniuses. What is the plural form of currency? Answer A. Currencies. Fill in the blank. Answer D. She told me not to worry about the test. Complete the sentence. Answer B. It's hard to stay focused for long periods. Choose the past form of hurt. Answer C. Hurt. What is the past form of forsake? Answer B. Forsook. Choose the past form of explain. Answer A. Explained. How do you spell this word? Answer B. Below. Pick the correct spelling. Answer D. Expectation. What's the correct spelling? Answer B. Fracture. What is the antonym of binary? Answer C. Unified. Opposite of win? Answer A. Fail. What is the antonym of augment? Answer D. Reduce. Choose a synonym for avert. Answer C. Prevent. Choose the synonym for question. Answer C. Inquiry. Find the best synonym of celestial. Answer A. Heavenly. What does bite someone's head off mean? Answer C. Snap. What does go cap in hand mean? Answer B. Beg. What does have other fish to fry mean? Answer A. Busy. How do you write plural of council? Answer C. Councils. What is the plural of stadium? Answer B. Stadia. Choose the plural of alibi. Answer A. Alibis. What is the plural form of dogma? Answer D. Dogmas. Choose the past form of spend. Answer C. Spent. How do you form the past of befall? Answer D. Befell. What is the past of knit? Answer B. Knit. What is the past tense of sneak? Answer A. Snuck. Fill in the blank. Answer C. You should have asked for help. I would have assisted you. Complete the phrase. Answer B. Only by practicing can you improve. Choose the correct preposition. Answer D. Thanks for your attention to this. Find the correct option. Answer A. Preserve. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Response. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Boiling. Spot the correct spelling. Answer B. Magnetically. Congratulations! You did a great job. Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.